we're gonna work on those so you can get started on them. We briefly did them in the notes yesterday, but today is one of those practice problem days where you're going through all of them. That way we can do our lab this week and know how to use those formulas for it and solve for different things. So equation for acceleration, it's at the very top of the page already for you, but acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity, and you divide that by time. Okay, you have to have it in the right units before you can put them all into the equation. Each question for this one is worth 3 points. You get 1 point for writing down the things that the question gives you. You get another point for showing some work, and then you get a third point for answering it correctly. So 3 points for each question. Okay, so number 1, write down the things that you know. That's worth 1 point. We have a car moving on a straight level road. Changes its speed from 3.5 meters per second to 4.5 meters a second, and it did that in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration. Okay, so I know my time is 5 seconds. And changing its speed from 3.5 to 4.5, so I know my final velocity is 4.5. And I know my initial velocity is 3.5. Okay, again, that's worth 1 point. Identifying everything you know. Then I plug all those things into the equation. Final 4.5 minus 3.5 divided by your time of 5. 4.5 minus 3.5 is 1. Divided by 5. 0.2 meters per second squared. Okay, remember this meters per second squared part, especially when you're solving for acceleration, is important. You need to be able to solve for, or have the right units for acceleration. Okay, so that is number 1.